Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Pixel Experience UI on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. So in this video, let's review this ROM with the tutorial and download links given in the video description. Let's start, shall we? Hey, what's up guys, so I'm using this Pixel Experience UI for quite a while now, and this is my Redmi Note 4, and you can see how beautiful this ROM is. Actually, this ROM is completely inspired by the Pixel phones, that is Pixel 2, Pixel 3, and you can see I have a lot of apps installed, so I'm using it as my default device for quite a while now. And let's lower the brightness so you can easily see it, and you can see it has pixel blue in white accent, and it looks really cool. Now let's talk about the Android version. So you can see this is the about the phone section, and this is the Redmi Note 4, and the Android version is 9.0 audio, which is very nice. And guess what, the security patch is of January 5 2019, and it is running on the Oreo. So latest build, latest security patch. And the surprising thing about this phone is super fast updates, and guess what, OTA is inbuilt. So just download it, just press download button and click install. It automatically installed using the recovery you flashed, and you can see the number of changelog. So it brings dark mode in this recent update, which I will demonstrate in this video. So you can see the first changelog was on 1/19/2019, and they fixed some framework issues, and then the another one was on 18th one. So very nice. And again they're fixing some bugs, and then again was on 14th, 13th, 11th, and you can see how quickly they're updating, and they're also fixing the bugs. So there was one recent banking app issue which also they fixed. So safety net was not passing in some apps, so the banking apps were not working, but they just fixed it in the next update, like within 3 to 4 days. So it's just 20 days I'm using this ROM, and I already get 4 to 5 OTA updates, which is incredible, and I don't need to format anything, which is another incredible thing. So super fast updates, super fast ROM, really impressed. Now let's look at the storage. Now you can see this is a 64 GB phone, so I've just used 26 GB, and the reason is it comes inbuilt with caps, so no need of flashing caps externally. You have Pico caps internally, so that's great. Also, you can see how responsive the whole UI is, and it comes with some apps like advanced control. So you have the full control over your display, so you can set the RGB values, which color should be high on your display. I actually keep it on default because the default color calibration was also very good. Now let's go to the battery. So the battery life is okay. It has that AI, and battery life was okay. It's not as good as MIUI, because you know that MIUI tends to kill the apps, and all apps were running in this phone, so that's okay. Also, you have features like night ambient display, which I really love, so useful thing. But in ambient display, you can see there's a new feature called Now Playing. So this is actually from Pixel phone itself. So you can just turn it on, turn it off, and whenever there is music in the background in the ambient display, it will show you which music is playing, and you can just download it. Also, you have dark mode finally in the UI itself. That's a Pixel feature, and that's the Oreo feature, and now this baked into this ROM, which is a recent update. So basically a day before I'm shooting this video. So you can see the black is everywhere in the UI, even in the Pixel launcher, and even in the notification, which looks really cool. Also, you have some other modes like light and automatic. So automatic is like Windows 10. Whenever you change the wallpaper, you also change the overall color, which I really like. I hope there's more color implemented, not just light and dark like the Windows 10. You have blue, red, and normal features like digital well-being. You can see 67 unlocks in a day, 227 notifications. That's the power of TTSMG community. Also, you have all the good stuff that Oreo brings to the table. So you have stock Android, Oreo, and great features. Now you get also a set of Pixel wallpapers in it. So there are some default Pixel wallpaper out there, and you can see the launcher is actually the Pixel launcher. So You have the default Pixel launcher, which also is inspired by the Pixel UI. And again, if you want more customization, you can just install any launcher. So Wi-Fi works, mobile data works, and everything works. And you can see the really cool animation. So this is the Pixel animation, and boots very fast, really fast in MIUI, and it also supports face unlock, which is really cool. And let's talk about sound. You also have some new Pixel sounds in the UI. So if you go to the sounds, just select the sound, you can see phone ringtone, and you have Pixel sounds as well, and really nice collection of music. So with this ROM, I'm not only using stock Android Redmi Note 4, but yes, using Pixel as a Redmi Note 4. So really happy with the performance, awesome ROM. You should try on your Redmi Note 4. All the tutorial and the download links will be given in the video description on the website. That's pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.